Hi everyone. So in the series of the big data lectures, today we will be seeing the measures of central tendency statistical summary. Also we can say that these are the concepts related to the machine learning as well as the statistical analysis. So in each machine learning algorithm, whenever we are cleaning the data, whenever we are giving the data to the algorithm, first thing that it is important to analyze the data. So it is important that how the data is being distributed. So there are some measures to find out how the statistics has been applied on the data set. So these are some of the measures of central. There are three measures of central tendency, that is mean, mode and median. So we'll see in the further slide what are that. So in statistics and ML, a central tendency or a measure of central tendency is a central or a typical value of a probability distribution. So to find out the probability distribution, how the data is being distributed among the data set, we need to find out the central tendencies or the mean, mode and median. So it is also called as a center or location of a distribution of a data. So they are also called as averages. So why it is need, we can easily find out what are the basic. Generally they are used for statistical analysis. So whenever we are doing regression, correlation, first we will find out the mean, mode and median. So what are that? So mean is the balance point. So how it is finding? Summation of x divided by n, where x is the total number of values in the data set divided by n is the total count of that values in the data set. Like if we have 10 values, like 1 to 10, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 10 divided by 10. So this will be the value for mean. What is the median? So these are the three central tendency measures: mean, mode and median. So median is n plus 1 by 2. So n is the total number plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the median, center position, middle value when ordered. When the data is been ordered, what will be the middle value? What is the center point of the data set? That is known as median. Next is the mode. Mode is the most common or frequent point of the data. Most common value in the data set is known as the mode. Like if there are 20 numbers in a data set and 3 is appearing thrice in the data set, so 3 will be the mode of that particular data set. Okay, so these are the three central tendency values, or these are the three statistical summary values. Whenever we are doing data analysis, we will find out mean, mode and median. So most representative or typical of all values in the group, averages. It is also called as averages, mean, median and mode. So mode is the most frequent data point, as I told you before. Mode exists as a data point unaffected by extreme values. Since it is one of the value of the data set, it is used for qualitative analysis. Okay, so find out the qualitative analysis, we will use mode as a measure. May have more than one value, since it is possible that in any data set there will be more frequent values, like 3 and 5 may be the most repeated value in the data set. So it is used for qualitative analysis. Next is the median. So value that divides the ranked data points into half, that 50% larger than it and 50% are smaller, since it is the center point of the data. It may not exist as the data point in the set, as here the mode will be in the data set since it will be the most frequent data value, but the median may not be present in the data set since it is the average, that is total. So it is a middle point, so it may be possible it is available or it may not exist in the data set, and it is influenced by the position of items but not by their values. So this is corely dependent on the values. It is dependent on the position of the data set, position of the values in the data set. And the final is the mean. So as I told you before, mean is the summation of all the values divided by total number of values. So it is the most stable measure and most used also, and it is affected by the extreme values since it is the summation of all values, and it may not exist as the data point in the set. So mode will be definitely present in the data set, but median and mean will not be there in the data set. So here is a simple example to explain these 3 points: mean, median and mode. So these are the numbers. Consider a small data set. These are the numbers. So how we'll find the mean is adding these numbers. It will be 30 divided by total numbers. How many are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 3 by 6. 30 by 6 is equal to 5. So mean for this data set will be 5. So the next is the median. So median will be the order of the set of numbers. So it will be we'll find the center point or middle. So if we consider there are 3, 6. So 6, what will be the center point? 3 should be the center point. So here how will we first will order the data. So how will be the ordering? 1, 3, 3, 6, 8, 9. So the median will be 3 plus 6, 9. 9 by 2, it will be 4.5. This will be the median. Next is the mode. That is the most common number. So as we see here, the most common number is 3. It is appear twice. So the mode will be 3. So I hope you are aware of all this mean, median and mode. It is a very easy concept and generally it is used for statistical analysis. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. In the further videos we will be seeing more such videos.